Hello everyone. When we finished up the live stream the other day, I just felt like my book wasn't quite finished. It just needed a little more zazz on the front, but yet I wanted it kind of understated. So I just added the black beads to this, and I really like the way it came out. I mean, it's just something, just that little bit more made me happy. But I also wanted to do a complete flip of the book so that you could see the whole thing in its entirety. And I did add in my little pieces that I cut from the windows as charms inside. They're kind of like bookmarks, and they're kind of like little surprises here and there, which that's kind of why I like these books, because the collages are like little surprises. So anyways, I'm going to just be quiet, I guess, and show you a flip of the book. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, that's everything, guys. One of the things I really like about the multiple size pages, shows very well here, where you're getting parts and pieces of the different pages, and then you turn this one and you still see this guy with this page. It's kind of like one of those kids books where you see different parts And I love the windows and how you see something from the next page behind it. So what I want to do is read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book and go on and maybe play with the next project. So let's see what we got today. The true work of art is but a shadow of the divine perfection. Michelangelo. Let me read that again. The true work of art is but a shadow of the divine perfection. Michelangelo. I like that one. Okay, guys. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.